Dear students who are coming to the second year, second semester and fifth lesson, Krishipara, you are taking. Now the Krishipalam written by Kavi Ogeti Parikshit Sharma. మూల గ్రంథం కాలాయ తస్మై నమః. This is Sri Ogeti Parikshit Sharma was born in 1930 in the town of Konnuru in the district of Puttur. He joined the Andhra government Andhra Girvana Pita in Kovoru. They pursue Ubhaya Bhasha Pravina degree. He authored many Sanskrit works such as Yasodhara, Parikshit, Nataka, Chakram, Kalaya, Tasmai Namaha, Saundarya, Memamsa, etc. books are written by him, the author. The present lesson is the 20th chapter of Kalaya Tasmai Namaha, a novel in Sanskrit. This is an autobiographical novel. The hero is Ravana. He speaks highly of cultivation during one of his conversations. The style of Parikshit Sharma is simple and musical. Also wrote an agrarian song as a part of his novel. The Kalaya Tasmai Namaha book is written as Gatyam Kavina Nishadam Vadanti, as like the Sukti is provided from this verse. Now, सपत्नीक श्रावणः पुण्यपत्तने स्वगृहे विश्रांति सुखमनुभवं कुर्वन्नेव हेह कर्माणि जिजीविषे शरदां शतमति भावयन् पौरोहित्य संस्कृतकक्ष्या सञ्चालयितुं समुत्सुको भवति. This is enjoy. Please show along with his wife in his own house in Pune. He is living in Pune with his wife and family. Shravana reflected, one should live for 100 years in this world only by doing some work, and because became eager to start Porohitya and Sanskrit classes. is conducting the Paurochyam and also the Sanskrit classes as private. Then what happened? तत्र स्वगृह प्रांगणे प्राकारद्वार निकटे पार्श्वे अत्र पौरोहित्यं संस्कृतं दात्याप्यन्ते अपि च पौरोहित्यं 15 कर्माणि क्रियन्ते इति एकं प्रकटनफलकं विलिख्य भित्तौ भवन्तः. Here on a display flag he wrote Paurohityam and Sanskrit are taught here. Paurohityam and 15 types of rites will be performed and fixed on the wall near the main entrance of this house. He wrote about the Paurohityam, 15 types of rites on his main entrance. That is display board, notice board is there. You put marriage, upanayana, naming ceremony, etc. rites are written by him. Afterwards, मासद्वय पर्यन्तं न कोऽपि विद्यार्थी समागतः. तदनन्तरं दशसंख्यका छात्रा संस्कृतान्द्राध्यायन काचन प्रियः पूजापद्धतिं च शिक्षितुं समागतः. ते यावद्धनं यच्छन्ति तावदेव जग्राह श्रावणः. आनया रीत्या तस्य धनप्राप्तिः प्रतिमासं 2,000 रूप्यकपरिमिता अभूत्. As like this way, for 2 months, no students turn up. The board is there, the directions are given, and also all the arrangements are very clear. But no student is coming to here to learn up to 2 months. After the 10 students came to learn Sanskrit, and some women to learn the procedure of worship. Shravana took whatever money they offered. In this way, these earnings amounted to 2,000 rupees per month. Is getting 2,000 rupees per month to enjoy. But what happened then? Tada Shravanasviyajayam समाहूय दैते शृणु विषम एवं जीवनयापनं कष्टतरं भवति। शाकानां मूल्यं गगनतलं शुम्भति शाकायवालाय लवणाय वा समार्जितं धनम् अपर्याप्तं भवति तस्मादङ्करारोहणं शाकवृक्षारोपणं चानिवार्ये भवतः अस्माकं कृषितो नास्ति दुर्भिक्षम् इति. Here, then Sravana called his wife and said, "Oh my dear, my wife, listen, it will be difficult to live like this. We are not able to live by these education styles, but the prices of the vegetable are touching the sky. The money we earn is not sufficient either for provisions or vegetables, so we are very suffering. So sowing seeds and planting supplies become necessary for us. As for this, निगद्य स्वगृहे वर्णे अलावु कुषाण्म कारवेल्ल निम्ब कोशातकी घृतकोशातकी पटोली वार्ताक गार्विकाम्र कानिकार कस्तुंबरी नारिकेल पनस बादम कदली जंबू शुक्र लता चक्र टोमेटो शिमला मिर्च इत्यादि शाकलता वृक्षान् संवर्धयामास. In this way, there will be no necessary by cultivation. Having said to his guru edible plants, that creepers such as bottle gourd, pumpkin, bitter gourd, and also little gourd, longfolia, reds, gourd, ghee, reds, gourd, snake gourd, eggplant, lady's finger, sorrel leaves, coriander, coconut, jackfruit, almond, banana, blackberry, dog plant, palak, tomato, simla, mirchi, etc. We can able to grow at our place of house. He is telling him. Telugu names for the vegetables mentioned here. These vegetable names are all in Telugu. So, very clearly we are going to take them. As like Saura, Gumadi, Kakara, Donda, Nimma, Beera, Neti Beera, Potla, పొట్ల, వంకాయ, బెండకాయ, కొత్తిమీర, పనస, బాదం, అరటి, నేరేడు, బచ్చలి, తీగ బచ్చలి, టొమాటో, సిమ్లా మిర్చి మొదలైన కాయలు ఇన్ తెలుగు. బట్ तदा तमहम अयि भोः श्रावणकिमर्थं कौद्धालिको भूत्वा कालं यापयति भवान् अनेन कर्मणा किं न्यूनताभावः न भवति ते भवान् नैकविरुदाङ्कितः पंडितः महाकविः गीर्वाणान्ध्रभाषाप्रवीणः गीर्वाणगेयकवि मण्डलचक्रवर्ती अपि च श्रीकलापूर्ण किमर्थं भवान् अशिक्षितः इव पटच्छरधारी भूत्वा कर्धमे उठति इत्यपृच्छम्. In this way, then I asked him, "Oh Shravana, why do you spend time becoming a farmer? Why are you going to cultivate this area? You are becoming as a farmer. Why don't you feel inferiority by this act? By this way, you are inferior. So you have many titles such as scholar, great poet, expert in Sanskrit and Telugu, the emperor of assembly of the Sanskrit literacy, and also an expert in fine arts. Why do you like an literate person wear race and roll in money? So don't think about as like a farmer. Don't go to cultivate as like a farmer. He is telling and asking. Then मदीय प्रश्नं श्रुत्वा ईषन्मष्टहासं विधाय. By this, on hearing my question, smiling a still little, Shravana answered. Then, what is answer? Ayi oh Chaturvedin Krishikarma Janmasiddham Sarvesham Potalavasana. My dear, oh Chaturvedin, cultivation is natural to all the earthly beings. You don't think that, he is saying. And also, Krishikarma Anadisiddham. Krishikarma Anadisiddham. Annam na Nindhyat. Annam na Parikshita. Tadpratam. Annam Brahma. अन्नात् भूतानि जायन्ते जातान्यन्येन वर्धन्ते तस्मात् सन्नम् उत्पादितम् अयितव्यम्. So it is very ancient. Do not show disrespect to to food. Do not turn away from food. What is a food? Food is Brahman. Beings are born from food. They grow with food. Hence, food must be produced excessively. So, you don't think otherwise. Cultivation is great for the persons, those who are living in the world. Is telling. Then water. जगति विद्यमान मास्तूनां पदार्थानामन्योन्याश्रम भावः माश्रय भावः आधारधेय भावः सर्वविध संबन्धास्य वर्तन्ते जगति सर्वमपि प्राणिनां योग्यम् उपकारकारकं भवति जगति सर्वे प्राणिनः सहकारभावेन साहसं योगेन जीवनं यापयन्ति वृक्षाः पशनः पक्षिणः वृक्षाः पशवः पक्षिणः नद्यः पर्वताः यानि दृश्यानि सर्वाणि प्राणिनामुपभोगाय सुखाय च भवन्ति सर्वे ते अस्मदीयसहवासिनः अनुसराच्च सन्ति. Oh dear, among all the things that are found in this world, there exist the concepts of mutual dependency, mutual support, and all other relationships. Everything in this world is worthy and useful to these beings. All beings live together with cooperation. All these which are seen, such as the trees, animals, birds, rivers, mountains, and other are for the enjoyment and happiness of the beings. All of them become our neighbors and followers. So, the cultivation is very great for the people, those who are living in the world. He is telling. Then, विना फलैः शाकैः ग्रासैश्च जीवनं विश्वेस्मिन् दुर्भरं दुष्करं भवति. Oh my dear, without fruits, vegetables and food, life in this world becomes unbearable and difficult. You think that. And also, तस्मात् वृक्षारोपणं धान्योत्पादनमित्यादिकं मानवानाम् अपरिहारं भवति. कृषिफलानां जन्मधन्यं पावनं परोपकारयुतं धा च भवति. कृषिफल अन्नदातारः भगवत्स्वरूपाः वसुन्धरार्चकाः भक्ताः राष्ट्रस्य जीवितापतः. In this way, it is very ancient. Do not show disrespect to food. Do not turn away from food. But the life Hence, plantains and productions of food, etc., become unavoidable for men. This life of the farmers is blessed, sacred, and helpful for others. Farmers are the providers of food, farmers of God, worshippers of the earth, devotees, and the life-sustaining drugs to the country. In this way, the farmer is very great. He is the great person for the supplies of the foods and the vegetables, everything. So, the farmer is very great. भारतीय संस्कृति वृक्षाणां समूहे स्निग्धछायातरुविलसितारण्येषु नदीतीरेषु पर्वतशिखरेषु सा सम्भूय प्रवृद्धे वेदोपनिषदां संस्कृतिः येषु प्रदेशेषु संजस्य संपृश्य तथान भूषण्डले संहिता ब्राह्मणानि अरण्यकानि च भारतीय संस्कृत्याः प्राणाः सर्वपुराणेषु इतिहासेषु काव्येषु नाटकेषु वृक्षाणां समृद्धः तेषाम् आशिषः परोपकारः विलाचयः सर्वत्र बहुथोल्लेखिताः सन्ति। सर्वकथाः नैमिषारण्येरेव समुत्पन्नाः। इयं मानवजात्याः अविच्छिन्नं परस्परा वर्तते। अयि भोः, एतादृशकृषिकर्मणा शाकलता वृक्षादिपोषणेन पौष्टिकाहारो भवति, शरीरव्यायामो भवति, स्वावलम्बनमपि भवति मानवसमाजस्य इति इभाय श्रावणः। Here Indian culture developed collectively in the rows of trees, forestically shaded with trees on the banks of the rivers. Wherever we are looking, there are so many trees, rows of trees, forestically shaded with trees on the banks of the rivers and on the hilltops. In these places are culture of the Vedas and the Upanishads organized, flourished and spread all over the earth. Spread all over the earth. The Vedas, Brahmanas and the Aranyakas are the life of the Indian culture. In all the Purana, Rahasas, Itihasas, Kavyas and Natakas are the relation with the saints, their blessings, helpfulness, generatory, etc. are very much described. All these stories organized from the Nirmala Naimisha forest. This has been the uninterrupted tradition of the human race. By such cultivation and growing of vegetable plants and creepers, nutritious food, physical exercise and self-sustenance will be here to the human society. Okay.